The goal with this activity is to really loosen up the hips. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to set up a bar and a rack, or you can use your kitchen sink at home. It doesn't matter. I would get a block or a book or a step to put one leg on. In this case, I'm going to put my left foot on. My right foot's going to be in line with the left in this case. I'm going to grip the bar. From here, what you want to do is you want to unlock your knees. So if you're standing like that, let them unlock. Then you want to push your hips back without straightening your knees like this. A cue that I like to use is take a couple fingers, poke yourself in the hip crease so you make sure your hips come backwards. From here, what you want to do is you want to keep your torso position. You want to bend your knees and squat down without coming upright like that. Hold position and breathe. So I'm here, push the hips back, squat down. Feel the back of the legs going pretty wild and crazy. Breathe it out. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.